Okay, my friends, this is TJ with TJ Woodworking Shop. Real fast, I want to show you the lathe I got. I had all the information on my Facebook and YouTube. Uh, I was gonna buy the lathe itself. It was 85 cents, 85 cents, I wish, $85. But he had other accessories. He had a box of accessories. I could have let him take it back home. And I decided to give him the extra money. So in total, with everything I got in the box, I gave him 130 because there's $149, $139 in accessories or more. That's the mandrel's manual. That's the tube to adjust it. That's the manual book for the lathe. We got all these parts here. Got pen kits. We have this accessory here. And the little gauge thing. I'm sorry about the camera shaking. You can push your part out. And a R1 mini round carbide tool from Rockler. It's branched back in there. This is the, I'm sorry, I was lost on there. It's the R1 mini round carbide tool. It's the round tip. Let me see if I can get it right there. And this tool is to adjust, take off the blade to change it or whatever. And this mini carbide tool right here at Rockler is $69.99, and he paid the tax and the shipping and all that, so he gave me a new box. There's a few, let me see, it's brand new, 3 different sizes. It's 150, 240, 320, 400, and 600, and I have, it's brand new, I have still in the box that he gave me with a bunch of stuff. I got pen blanks too. I have other sandpaper that he had already used some of it. He said it was probably like 5 hours he used it. It's brand new. I checked the price on him. It was $209.99 plus tax and shipping because he had to pay the tax and ship it. And I seen him for a little bit more than that. So I think I have a very good deal on this. And I'm happy because I can make some pens. I will practice first. I never use a lathe or even made pens. The mandrel is right on there. It's ready to go. Let me turn it on. Plugged in, I think. It sounds real good. That's me bringing it up and down. I haven't read the information over it yet. I think it goes to 3,500. I think the speed on it. I'm not sure. I've seen so many of them, so my mind confused. And real fast, I want to show something I got a couple weeks ago. Bam! I got a shirt with my logo. Just trying to see what's out there and the prices and stuff. And that's the front. This is the back. TJ Woodworking Shop. That's me. And like I always say, thank you very much. And God bless.